how to make your home an asset. If you buy right, a home can become an asset, a financial asset. Most people buy their homes and they really become a liability for them. The bank owns the home. People owe too much, constantly making payments. The mortgage is the debt that is attached to the home, and that debt is equal to or sometimes more than what the market value of the house is. So how do you create an asset? You pay down the mortgage and you keep your equity securely invested in the property. So that means not taking out money to go on vacation, not taking out money to buy a car or to buy other liabilities that are going to just cost you money and not make you money in the long term. So as you pay down your mortgage, your house also appreciates. It increases in value with the market. The values of other property in your area drive what your property is worth. So the more you pay down, the better. And then your house is also increasing in value based on what the other properties in the area are selling for. So the amount between what you owe and the market value, or what other properties are selling for that are equivalent to your home, is your equity. So when you have more equity than you have debt, you really have yourself an asset. So I challenge you to buy a home, don't pay top dollar, have a mortgage that is that you can actually put a little bit of savings away, and or put that savings towards your principal and interest. So make a little bit more of your payment each month versus what your mortgage is, and you can actually pay it down a lot quicker. Because it does make a significant difference just putting $50, $100, $200 extra towards your mortgage, because that will go towards your principal and interest every month. So I'm glad you're here. I hope that this has been helpful in teaching you a little bit about how to make your home an asset.